What's up, guys? Welcome to BroBeatz. Today I'm gonna try to make my theme or my intro beat. A lot of people keep commenting under every single video saying, what's the intro beat? How'd you make that? Show us how to make it. So this is not like a tutorial on how on a raw version of how to make the beat, from scratch. I'm gonna just show you how I made my intro, and then maybe another video if you want. Just comment down below if you want to see me make one of these beats from scratch. It's pretty easy. So a lot of people say, oh, it's a sample. It's not a sample. As you can see, it's not a sample. Now this is gonna sound completely different from the beat that you hear in the intro because I put an effect on it that I made for it. So I'm gonna just play these sounds one by one, kind of like the old school tutorials, on YouTube. So I'm gonna just play them one by one. I'm gonna just do half because it's a lot of sounds to go through. All right, I'm gonna add this one as like a pad, and you can see the VSTs. I use a lot of track guide and stuff, so. I'm gonna add this. Let me see, let's go back. I'm gonna add this. It's like a piano. All right, I'm gonna go to the next one. All right, and the trick to these is to make it, don't think about the genre. Don't think about oh, I need to make a Migos type beat or something. No, what I do, I just make it completely 100% melodic. I don't care, what, I'm not thinking about all right, who can rap on this? I'm just making it sound good, putting everything where it belongs. All right, you can see everything's kind of fitting in. So adding this one. All right, I'm gonna go on. All right, and then this part you don't hear in the beat. There's a kind of gross beat effect. Well, not gross beat, but I'm using shaper. I forget what it's called, but I'm using gross beat effect or something like that. But I didn't put the piano in there. So all right, so now I'm gonna put the effect, or I guess I can just show you what it sounds like with the actual beat real quick. Let's just scale this down so you can see the whole thing. Probably a little bit more. That should be fine. All right, let me turn all this on. All right, you're probably like, that sounds nothing like the intro. I know it doesn't. So I'm gonna show you this preset. It's just a basic preset that I made. It's called back juke. You've probably seen me use this a lot on some of the beats that I make in the tutorials. So this is just like the I guess the halftime effect is what this would be. And then I have a filter over it. All right, and then all I did was turn this on all these sounds, and then you'll get, I'll play it from the beginning, and you'll get this. Hold up, is it on? No, it's not on. I'll just show you with the piano. I decided to take the piano out because I just didn't like it. And I guess that was a good decision. And I'll just show you what it sounds like with the piano, if it comes in. And obviously this is like the raw version. I don't even have any mix stuff on it. I'll just play it one more time and then I'll just end the video. It doesn't need to be that long. So this is that's how I made my intro. All right, so let's I can just start it from here. I'll play with the piano, I guess. All right, so that's my intro beat or theme or whatever. Now you know how I made it or how it's made. If you want to see me make this from scratch, a beat like this from scratch, it's pretty easy, at least for me, because I do this all the time. Just let me know. It's easy. I can make a tutorial for it. All right, so yeah, that's the intro. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Maybe you got some more insight on the beat and everything and got what you wanted. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.